This presentation will help to guide you through the enrollment steps for incoming distance calculus students. We will discuss communication methods used for this course, as well as required enrollment documents like lawful presence verification and transcript orders. The primary method of communication used by Georgia Tech will be the student's email address. Because of this, it is very important that you regularly check and respond to emails sent by Georgia Tech. For enrollment purposes, we will be sending communication to the email address listed on your admission application. If your email address changes, please be sure to notify the admission office. Buzzport will also be an important tool for you to use over the course of this program. During the summer, you can log into Buzzport to review your application and ensure that all required materials have been received. In your emails to Georgia Tech, whether it be to admission, the professor, or any other department, you should include your official name and GTID. As a Georgia Tech student, you have also been issued a Georgia Tech email address. Once you log into Buzzport, you've activated this account. You can check emails sent to your Georgia Tech account through Buzzport or at mail.gatech.edu. If you're unsure of your Georgia Tech email address, you can log into Passport at passport.gatech.edu. This site will allow you to see your student email address as well as reset your account password. Next, we'll talk through the documents required for enrollment in Georgia Tech classes. This checklist is included in your acceptance packet and is also available on the website. Please submit these items by August 1st. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact the admission office or the distance calculus coordinator using the contact information provided on the enrollment website. We will discuss lawful presence verification and the Georgia Tech transcript order in this presentation. For information about program costs and Excel funding, please view the short Costs and Funding video. The University System of Georgia requires all admitted Georgia Tech students to provide lawful presence documentation prior to enrollment. There are several ways to submit documentation. You can email a scanned copy of the document to appdocs@admission.gatech.edu. You can fax a copy to 404-894-9511, or you can bring the document to the Office of Undergraduate Admission. Once we've received and verified your document, you will receive a confirmation email. The Georgia Tech Registrar's Office will register all distance calculus students for the fall and spring courses, but we will not be able to register you for the courses until we have received your lawful presence documentation, so please try to have this submitted to our office by August 1st. You can submit any of the documents listed on this slide for lawful presence verification. This list is also available on the enrollment website. The most common documents submitted by students are a driver's license, learner's permit, or a current U.S. passport. If you do not have any of the documentation listed on the previous slide, you will need to bring an original U.S. birth certificate to campus. Regulations prohibit us from verifying lawful presence based on a copy of this document, which is why we need to see the original in person. If you plan to bring this document to campus, please contact the distance calculus coordinator in advance of your visit to ensure that a staff member will be available to verify your document. You will also need to order 2 copies of your Georgia Tech transcript for your high school's grade reporting purposes. Due to FERPA regulations, Georgia Tech is unable to release your final grade each semester to your high school without this order. To place your order, you will need to follow these steps. First, log into buzzport.gatech.edu. Next, select the Dual Enroll tab. It's very important that you select this tab and place your order through the Order Transcript link located on the right-hand side of the page. You will need to order 2 copies of your transcript, one for fall term, the other for spring term. Once your order has been processed, we will email you a receipt. Your transcript will be automatically sent to your high school counselor at the end of the term. If you need a Georgia Tech transcript for any other purpose, like another college or scholarship organization's application, you can follow the instructions located on the Dual Enroll tab. Thank you for taking the time to review this information. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to the admission office for clarification.